Let's gather round the campfire and sing our campfire song, our Campfiresong song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. Boom, boom, boom. Campfiresong song, Campfiresong song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. Our Campfiresong song, Campfiresong song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. Woo! Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and it's another campfire hit. It's from Spongebob Squarepants. Yeah, the Campfire Song Song. This song is so easy to learn, it'll take us under 5 minutes, so stick around. Cool? Alright, the chords you need to learn are G, C, A major, and D7. Let's do that again. G, C, A major, and D7. That's like the trickiest one. So the count for this is 2 counts per measure. Now, that might not make a lot of sense, but we are counting to 2 instead of 4. What does that mean? It means this. We're going to strum for G 2 times, another 2, and then C, and then G. And we do that 3 times, right? So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, C, 2, G, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, C, 2, G, 2. Last time, C, G, A, D7. So with the D7, we're just going to strum once because it makes it more fun. This is us playing slow at first and then faster and faster and faster and faster and faster, just like the song says, and I'll challenge you to sing it as fast as you can. Hey, if you can sing it really fast and get a video of you playing it, why don't you share that with us in the comments below? I'd love to see it. Okay, just do a close-up of your hands, right? Nice. So a great way to strum and learn this song is to strum once for every bar. It'll sound something like this. Like the very first verse as we're introducing the song. Let's gather round the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our Campfiresong song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. And notice that we're holding on that D7. Yeah. Now, we get this great boom, boom, boom. And that helps us kind of lead into the faster tempo every time we do a round. That's the whole song. Let's do that again. That's right. And then we just keep learning how to play it faster and faster. A great way to strum this is to strum just quarter notes. Another fun way to do, if you want to get like a little trickier with the strumming, is to go like... It can be really tricky as we add extra strumming patterns to it. So feel around with what works best for you. I personally think doing quarter notes helps because we can go faster and faster and faster, and the quarter notes get faster and faster and faster. They start feeling like eighth notes, and then it just kind of gets crazy. So it'd be something like this. Ready for a play along? Okay, I'm going to do it 2 times, 1 slow and 1 as fast as I can without messing up, but I might mess up. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 2. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song, our Campfiresong song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. Boom, boom, boom. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. I think that was right. So there you go. It's SpongeBob Squarepants, a great campfire song. You just keep going, start slow and go faster and faster and faster. Have a lot of fun. These kinds of round sing-alongs are so great. Everyone has a good time, and we laugh at the end, right? Okay, great. If you have any questions about what's happening with this video, please leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because why not? It's a great channel to learn how to turn the Loog into a real instrument and help you transfer from a 3-string guitar to a 6-string guitar when you're ready. I love the Loog. If you want to learn more about it, check out the review. I'll leave it at the end of this video about the Fender Stratocaster and how they paired with Loog to make a 3-string electric guitar. All right. Hey guys, have a great summer. We'll see you soon with another summer lesson. All right.